Good morning, I'm Dr. Sudhir Rajguru from Arya College of Engineering and IT, and today we will discuss about pricing services. What makes service pricing strategy different and difficult? No ownership of services. Hard for firms to calculate financial cost of creating an intangible performance. Variability of input and output. How can firms define a unit of service and establish basis for pricing? Many services hard for customers to evaluate. What are they getting in return for their money? Importance of time factor. Some services may have more value to customers when delivered faster. Delivery through physical or electronic channels may create differences in perceived value. Objectives of pricing strategies. Revenue and profit objectives. Seek profit, cover costs, patronage and use base related objectives, build demand, build a user base. Other objectives: survival, prestige pricing like Oberoi hotels, product quality, leadership, health clubs. The pricing tripod. Pricing strategy consists of cost, competition and value to the customer. Three main approaches to pricing. Cost based pricing. Set prices relative to financial cost. The problem is in defining cost. Competition based pricing. Monitor competition pricing strategy, especially if services lacks differentiation. Who is the price leader? One firm sets the pace. Value based. Relate price to value perceived by consumers. Cost based pricing. Cost plus pricing covers all direct costs. Contribution pricing covers direct and indirect cost. Working back method for set cost and profit. Market oriented demand based pricing. Market scheming. Who offers unique services? Example: home delivery of pizza, cyber cafe. And penetration pricing. New service in existing market or existing service in new market. Reliance. Price discrimination. For example, time. Example: movies, doctors. There is a different time for movies. Sunday, that is a different price. Monday, it is a different price. Type of customer: student. Example: BSNL, Airtel. Also in buses and railways, there is a price discrimination for older age and young age people. Pricing to meet customer expectation through research. The companies do research for this, and an example is IMAX rate for 2D and 3Ds are different in Hyderabad, Noida and other places in India country. Discount sales to attract a segment of customer. Example: BSNL gives 7.5% discount to corporate customers. Competition based pricing. Destroyer pricing to throw competition out of business. Example like Jio service provider has done, and the other competition are very less profitability, which you can see from their balance sheet also. Price matching. Going rate prices same as competitor price like haircut. Price bidding. Close bid pricing. Construction, building, manufacturing services. Example: government requires services of builder, it calls bids from different service provider. Enhancing gross value. Pricing strategies to reduce uncertainty. Services guarantees. Example: Domino pizzas which said deliver in 20 minutes. Benefit driven pricing, that aspects of service that creates value. Example: Xerox machine in office charging for number of copies. Flat rate, quoting a fixed price in advance. Example: resorts and parks. Convenience pricing. Example: home delivery of pizza, groceries from supermarket. Value strategies. Relationship pricing. Non-price incentives are given. Example: shopper stops it offer membership, discount for volume purchases, and discount for purchasing multiple service. Price bundling. Low cost leadership. Services industries, they try to convince customer not to equate price with quality, must keep economic cost low to ensure profitability at low price, and efficiency pricing. Activity based costing. Pricing issues, putting strategy into practice. How much to charge for objective according to customer sensitivity or competition. What is the basis of pricing? Time, distance, bundling or independently. Who should collect payment? Organization, agent. If agent, then percent of commission of agent or website. Where should payment be made? Organization, intermediary, bank, or any other method? When should payment be made? Before the service, after the service, or what time? How should payment be made? Cash, check, token, credit card, etc. How to communicate prices, medium, content, emphasis on price. Thank you.